Okay. So there, me and Kylie gonna cook noodles. Or pancit canton. Noodles. Let's check.
Let's check.
Is it boiling? Oh, not yet. Oh, wow, it's hot though. Let's push it around here. It's hot in the middle. Okay.
Perfect.
Perfect. Don't we have to like put it on a plate and then like put the sauce in?
Don't think so.
What you mean? I thought you cooked this before. Oh, hell no, we both cooked, bro.
Not noodles.
I mean,
not pancit canton.
instead of pancit canton getting cooked, we are gonna get cooked. Okay.
Put the sauce in.
What you mean? What? That's quite sauce. Which sauce do we put in first?
I forgot.
It might be cooked.
Wait, what's this?
This is the like those like this ones. Those
I think we have to put these ones.
Let's ask.
No, actually this one. This one's first, then these. These ones are the ones that are gonna be sauced, and these ones are just those. What is this to make it much yummy? Oh, those are just making it like even tastier. Because if you taste this,
which one do we put first? This one or this one?
just read it. Due to temporary changes, sauce may have crystal.
Whoa!
Particular which will melt its fusion.
That might be sauce now.
Noodles.
Okay, let's check.
Noodles. Wait, noodles? What you mean noodles?
What's it boiling, bro?
Why is this noodles? This is not noodles.
I don't know. You might get scammed. It's like, let's ask.
Where's the yama? Should we eat it?
Papa, looks like mom, bro, I promise you.
Check it.
You just. I don't like this. It's very bright.
Mamaya na, pag-uwi na.
Sige maboy. Itaas mo. Ako yung kamay. Ang mga ano. I-ready mo yan. O, patayin mo na yan. Sabi, mamaya na yan. I-ready lang buksan eh. Mamaya na yan. Manata na to oh.
Do it. I'll do it.
Hindi yan ganyan. Buhatin yung abi. Umalis ka dyan. Umay ng paso ka pa eh. Oh. Teka lang. Malapa na to. Ay.
There it is. This is it. Look how it is. That isn't.
That isn't good yet, right?
No, that isn't like. That isn't like. Pancit canton, bro. It looks like noodles.
It's pancit canton.
It looks
Did
like
we put it
noodles.
already?
Yeah. You didn't eat the what you call that?
We put it in the other side, right?
Just put it anywhere.
Ibutan na rin na.
Oh shoot! Wait, this is different.
Oh yeah, it is. Remember, it has two different.
Hindi.
Oh.
Ilagay mo na to, oh. Tapos i-ano mo yung ano. Yan, oh. Tapos yan, i-ano mo na yan. Yan, lahat yan. Ilagay mo na.
There's still another one. Oh. Help me with this. Careful, bro. Bro!
Uy, kakain. Hindi na kakain ng kanin, oh.
Kakain ng kanin. Ito at kanin.
Put it in the middle because if you do like that, it's open up. I'm gonna do this one first. So I hope you laugh. What? That's it. What are you doing?
This is so messy.
Yeah. But tasty though.
How much you tried?
Oh my gosh.
So let's clean this later if we're all done. Just a little bit of sweet chips.
Okay. Where are the... Bro, be careful, bro. You don't have to do that.
The other one.
Okay. Here it goes.
Put it lower.
This is gonna be wrong.
See? Not better.
Okay. There's still more inside. You don't need to waste it. That's the last one?
Yeah, we already did 3.
By the way, I'm good.
I know.
That's good.
Some of the pieces didn't got sauce and some got super sauce.
Yeah.
So we have to entirely mix it.
But guys, it's almost done, guys.
Napay po na last rice.
And here from
Sabi ko lumaya na no. Sige, die. Ako nagluto na.
Hi guys, we're done
Who's we?
cooking.
I haven't eaten yet.
No,
I haven't eaten yet.
we're done cooking and then we're eating it. I'm almost done. Say oh, you want some more? Here.
I'm gonna make a face. Look, there's a face.
Where?
That's the eyes. And this is the mouth.
Mine doesn't. It's already gone. This is the hair.
Skibidi toilets.